Hi everyone, it's Jen. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. So before we get started, I just want to remind you I have a giveaway going on. So be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and head over to my giveaway video and like and comment on that video to be entered into the giveaway that I have going on for the $100 mystery makeup box. That will happen as soon as I get to 100 subscribers. So we are at 90 right now. We only have 10 more to go. So hopefully we get there soon so I can give this box away. So now for today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing for the Boxycharm for the month of February. I got it yesterday. I did look in it because I'm not very patient and I'm not good at waiting. So I did look in and see what I got. And then I used one product today, but that's it. I haven't used anything else. So the first thing we have is this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I have heard so many good things about this one, but I have yet to try it. I love the packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging, so I love the pink on it, and it's pretty heavy. It's pretty durable. And then this is what the wand looks like. It's a big fluffy wand, which is actually my favorite type of wand. So I am excited to try it. I have not used it yet, but I definitely am going to try it. So this retails for $24, which is not bad because the mascara that I do really like, I spend $24 on. So that's actually not that bad. The next thing we have is the Pretty Vulgar Bronze Bee Bronzer. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm sorry, it's been a long day. It's cute. I do love the packaging. I love the idea of it. When you open it, that's just kind of what it looks like. I'm hoping it's showing up lighter in the camera than what it actually is. This shade is actually a pretty dark shade. And I'm not sure, let's see, I'll swatch it. I haven't swatched it yet, but I'm not quite sure. Oh, maybe. Okay, actually, that actually might not be that bad. It might be, I'm thinking it probably looks a lot darker in the pan than what it actually is when you look at it, because on my hand, it actually might not be that bad. So I am excited to try this. I love Pretty Vulgar's products. They have a lot of really good products. This is $32. Again, I like the packaging. I think the concept of it is cute. It's a cute idea. But I would say for $32, the packaging could feel a little less cheaply made, to say it politely, I guess. But I mean, I love the idea of it and the way that it looks. It is really cute. I just think it could be a little bit better made for something that is $32. And then the next thing I got is the Touch in Soul No Poreblem primer. I think that's how you say that. I'm not entirely sure. But now this, oh, I lied. I tried two products today because I did try this. I am pretty hooked on my Urban Decay primer. So I've had kind of a hard time finding one that kind of matches up to that one. This one's not bad. It's not like really liquidy or anything. It doesn't have a too strong of a smell, which I like. And it does go on, it blends into your skin really, really easily. And it does make it really smooth. It does, when I first put it on, I thought maybe it was gonna make my skin a little oily because it felt like on my fingers that it was a little bit oily, but I've worn it all day and it didn't seem to do that. So I'm excited to see that. I'm gonna try it again. Today I had to work, so it was a rush makeup day, which is why I look like a hot mess. So I'm definitely going to try it some more and see if I like it. I love the packaging. It's like got like that glass frosted packaging look to it, and I love that it has a pump on it. And so this is $18, which is not bad, or it's about average, I think, for what I would spend anyways. I think I spend 20 something on my Urban Decay one. So that's not a bad price point for that at all, I don't think. The next thing I got was, which is something that I was so excited to get, and I was hoping I got it, and then I opened it, and not quite as excited as I was. Okay, so this is the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana Cream. It did come in a lot bigger container than the Bum Bum cream that we got in Boxycharm several months ago. I absolutely love that stuff. I bought 2 full-size jars of it because that's at $45 a piece, because that's how much I really like it. This one is, I'm gonna open it just so you can kind of see, like, that's what it looks like inside, and it's just, whew, okay. It's weird because it's got like a mix of coconut and like buttered popcorn. It's really strange. So I did try a little bit of it on my hand, and I will do that again just so you can kind of see. You know, it's the consistency or the texture of it is a little bit different than the Bum Bum cream is. This is a lot less thick, a lot thinner. There we go. A lot thinner than the Bum Bum cream texture, than the Bum Bum lotion is. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, but I mean, it does go into my skin pretty easily. It's got a little bit of like a sticky consistency to it though, even after it's all the way rubbed in, and the smell is just not my thing, I don't think. I'm not going to say it smells terrible, because I'm sure there are probably a lot of people that are absolutely going to love the smell of this. For me, the smell is not my favorite, and it's just really, really overpowering. Like really overpowering, and it's not my favorite, unfortunately. And I was really, really wanting to love this because I absolutely love the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum cream. So when I saw this in my box, I got super excited. And then I was just a little disappointed when I opened it, and definitely just was not at all what I thought it was going to be. So this container here is $20. I might try this again. I mean, just this little bit on my hand, like my fingers are a little sticky, and I don't like that. I don't like that stickiness that it gives you. And the smell is still very, very much there. So I'm not sure. I want to try it again. I'm just not sure that I'm going to like it, unfortunately, but I really wanted to. Okay, so the last thing is, this is the Luminous, or nope, that's not it. This is the Nudestix Magnetic Luminous Eye Color Pencil. When I first got this, I thought this was a lip crayon, and then I decided to actually read the paper that says what it was. And it is actually an eyeshadow crayon. I did use it today. That is the color that I have on my eyelids right now. I will say I put this makeup on about 13 hours ago, and it is definitely still there. The pigmentation is still there. It goes on, let's see if I can do this where you can see it. Very soft, and you cannot see that. Very soft and very creamy, and it does kind of have a little bit of like a glitterness to it, and it's like a copper color. I do actually really like it. and it seemed to stay put, and I didn't actually use any primer or anything on my eyes today when I did my makeup because I was in a hurry. So I mean, it stayed put. So that is $24. Man, I don't know. I don't know, because I mean, I don't know if I would spend $24 on this. The color is pretty. It goes on smooth. I do like the look of it. It does seem to stay put since it's still there, and I have had it on for 13 hours. I'm just not quite sure I'd pay that much for this. Considering a lot of the palettes that I buy are in between the $20 and $40 range. So I mean, just this little stick could amount to one palette. So I probably would not spend $24 on this, but I do like it, and I am glad that I got it, and I will try it. So that was everything that I got in my box. So I think this is the first month that I've been with them that we have not gotten a eyeshadow palette, which I'm totally fine with because I have so many of them. And I got rid of some, and it doesn't look like I got rid of any of them because that's how many that I have. So I'm not entirely disappointed that there's no palette in this box. So I do like that it was definitely a different type of variety of products that we got in this box versus other boxes. The theme for this month is Afterglow, and it looks like they changed their card again a little bit, and so it's just this little postcard type thing, and normally they give you like coupons on the postcard for one or two of the products that you receive in the box, and that doesn't seem to be on there this month, but that's all right. That's not a huge deal. So I did get a variation 1, you can see that there, which was the variation that I was hoping to get because I really wanted this, and now I just really don't. So but that's okay, that happens. So anyways, that is my video. Let me know what you guys got in your box. Let me know if you received this and what you think of it, because when I smelled it and I got on Facebook and Instagram and stuff and I started to read the comments, there seems to be a lot of people that just don't really like this. They just don't really care for it. So let me know what you think of this product if you received it. So yes, so that is my video. Like I said in the beginning, do not forget to subscribe if you have not already, and head over to my giveaway video and comment on that so I can enter you into my giveaway that I have going on. So we're so close. We're almost there. So that's everything that I have for you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.